Today we are going to talk about the common example of a constant. So by definition we say that if a letter represents a particular value, then it is a constant. Okay, our first example will be the number of seconds in a minute. So we will talk today about common, the common example. So let's say that S, this letter S, represents the number of seconds in a minute. So here, the letter S represents a particular value. What is this particular value? The number of seconds in a minute. Okay. Since S represents a particular value, then S is what? A constant. Okay. Also, S is a constant because there are always 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, this is this particular value that S represents. Always 60 seconds in a minute. So in this sentence, what does this always means? Always means never change, never vary, stay forever the same no matter what. So let's see. For example, here it's 9 a.m. Okay, it's 9 a.m. and we want to go from 9 a.m. okay to 9 a.m. 1 minute 0 second. What are we going to do? We are going to add 60 seconds. Again, we are going again. If we add again 60 seconds, we go in another minute. Okay, so 0 a.m. and we continue like that. To have another minute, we again add 60 seconds. Okay, so it's always you have to always add 60 seconds to get another minute. Okay, another minute every time. Every time. If you add only 50 seconds, you don't get another minute. If you add only 40 seconds, you don't get another minute. You need to add 60 seconds always. Always to have another minute. So that makes S a constant. And we also have the minute. The number of minutes, in an hour, the number of minutes in an hour. So you need also to add, 60 minutes, 60 minutes to get another hour all the time. To get another hour, you need to add 60 minutes. So if it's, for example, 9 a.m. If you add 60 minutes, you get 10 a.m. You get 10 a.m. and so on and so forth. So M is a constant. M is a constant. M represents a particular value, which is the number of minutes in an hour. We also have the number of hours in a day. The number of hour in a day. They are each represent 24 hours. The number of hours in a day, so each represent 24 hours in a day. So each is a constant. So you need to add, for example, today is January 1st. You need to add 24 hours every time to get another day. So it will be January 2nd. Okay, so you need to add every time 24 hours to get what? Another day. Okay, so what? So h equal 24 is what? Is a constant, because every time you need to add 24 hours to have another day. And finally, the number of months in a year. The number of months in a year. Okay, so there are always what? Let's take big N. Let's say big N represent what? 12 months. Okay, in a year. You represent the number of months in a year, and yes, the number of months in a year is constant. Okay, why? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So let's take we are in 2025. Obviously, you need to what? You need to add 12 months, okay, to get what? 2026. Okay, so each time you need to add something constantly. Okay, it's a constant. So you need again to add 12 months to have what? To have 2027 and so on. So yes, the number of months in a year is also constant. So those were, okay, the common example of constant.